Your menu is the first thing your guests see. Before a single dish arrives, before a drink is poured, your menu sets the tone. It tells your story. Whether you're a fine dining restaurant, a hotel, a resort, a cruise line, or a beverage alcohol brand supporting on-premise accounts, your menu needs to reflect the quality of what's behind it. That's where Ansira comes in. We specialize in premium menu solutions tailored to your brand, from classic leather and wood to vegan leather, vinyl, and everything in between. Check presenters, table stands, menu covers, fine dining booklets. We have a custom solution to suit all taste. And getting started is easier than you think. Work with our team of designers to bring your vision to life. Tell us what you need, something clean and simple, or a highly specialized design, and we'll make it happen. Our team reviews every order before it ever goes to production. We don't rush that part. Every detail is locked in, every element verified. You're part of that process too, approving the final artwork, confirming it fits the budget, and making sure it's exactly right. Then it goes to the floor. Our 40,000 square foot production facility produces and ships 125,000 menus every month. That's real scale, and it's done by real people. From selecting raw materials to cutting, sewing, and finishing each piece by hand, every item is crafted with care. Each order is tracked at every station throughout production, so nothing slips through. Before your items leave our floor, quality control inspects and cleans each piece individually. Then it's packed and handed off to FedEx for daily pickup, so your order moves fast and arrives on time, no matter where you're shipping. With over 100 years in business and more than 500 brands trusting us with their most visible materials, Ansira brings the scale, the quality, and the personal attention to get it right, every time. No matter your industry, your order size, or your vision, Ansira is the team behind your menu.